Welcome to Wayside Garage. My name is Sabrina, and I'm going to show you why you will have the best automotive experience here at Wayside Garage. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Hey Regina, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Hey Sabrina, I would choose Wayside Garage because of our amazing customer service, and your safety is our #1 priority.
Hey Andrew, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Why? Because here at Wayside Garage, when you walk through that front door, you will always be greeted with a smile and wonderful customer service. So that's why you should come to Wayside Garage.
Jonathan, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Because we legitimately treat your car like family. We hold ourselves to the utmost integrity. We all try our hardest. We're all certified. Everyone here is awesome. The people in the office are awesome. I mean, they're easy to talk to, easy to get a hold of. We're transparent about anything and everything we do here. So, yeah, why would you take your car anywhere else? It's a no-brainer.
Hey Marcus, why would you tell your friends and family to come to Wayside?
Because they have highly skilled technicians and they get the job done.
Hey Brandon, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
I would choose Wayside Garage because we do a comprehensive digital inspection on every vehicle, which allows us to take pictures of your car.
Working at Wayside, what morals have you seen that we stick to?
We're definitely a family out here. I've only worked here for about 3 weeks, and all the guys have welcomed me in.
Hey Stacy,
Hi.
why would you choose Wayside Garage and tell all your friends and family to come see us?
I would choose a Wayside Garage because we have amazing people here working that care for your vehicle and care about your safety and the longevity of your vehicle.
And working in the business since you have been, how old?
16.
16 years old. What would you say that you've learned on what's most important when you take your vehicle into a repair facility? How do you choose the correct fit for you?
The most important thing to remember is it's building a relationship. So just like going to a doctor, you want to make sure that you find someone that you trust, that you build a relationship so that way they get to know your car and can help you to maximize the potential of your vehicle.
All right, you're the best. Hey Alan, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Because we're friendly, knowledgeable, thorough, and we fix the car right the first time.
Hey Sam, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Well, because we care about our customers. We care about their cars. We stand behind everything we do
And why would you tell all your friends and family to come to Wayside?
so their car will live a longer life, will be dependable, and it's going to be the best service you'll ever have.
Hi Williams. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Oh, fantástico.
Okay Williams, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Because it's a great place to work. I really enjoy it. Work with you and your family.
Okay, why would you tell your friends and family to come to Wayside?
Because we're a great place to work. You have the right equipment to work. You have everything here. So.
All right, Hung, why would you choose Wayside Garage and tell all your friends and family to come here?
Because it is family owned and with very friendly service.
Okay, Wayside on 3. 1, 2, 3. Tell the joke about the rubber again. Show me your best Regina impression.
Alan, you wanted to
Alan.
the first time?
Alan.
I was like, check the Google reviews.
Alan, show me your best Regina impression. Okay, bye. Hey Alan, why would you choose Wayside Garage?
Because we're friendly, we're honest, we're thorough.